In the bustling city of ancient Rome, among the grandeur and opulence, there existed a variety of captivating creatures that captured the imagination of its citizens. However, unbeknownst to many, the Roman Empire played a role in driving 5 unique species to extinction. Let us delve into the mysterious world of these lost animals and uncover their untold stories. 1. The Colosseum lion. Roaring within the grand walls of the Colosseum was a formidable predator known as the Colosseum lion. The Colosseum lion, also known as the Roman lion or Panthera leospili, was a subspecies of lion that once roamed parts of Europe and Asia. Despite their ferocious reputation, these magnificent creatures became victims of human fascination with bloodsport. The Colosseum lion played a significant role in the gladiatorial games held at the iconic Colosseum in ancient Rome. Captured from various regions, such as North Africa and the Middle East, these lions were transported to Rome to entertain audiences with their raw power and agility. They were pitted against other animals or even human gladiators in brutal fights to the death. Unfortunately, due to excessive hunting for entertainment purposes and habitat loss caused by human expansion, their numbers began dwindling rapidly. The decline continued over centuries until they eventually vanished entirely from existence. Today, we can only imagine the awe-inspiring sight of these massive lions within the grand walls of the Colosseum. Efforts are now being made to understand more about this extinct subspecies through archaeological findings and scientific research. Fossil remains have been discovered in various locations across Europe and Asia, shedding light on their physical characteristics and behavior. The story of the Colosseum lion serves as a reminder of our responsibility towards preserving Earth's diverse wildlife. It highlights how our actions can have devastating consequences on species that once roamed freely but are now lost forever. As we reflect on this extinct predator's legacy within the walls of one of history's most iconic structures, it is crucial that we strive for conservation efforts to protect today's endangered species from facing a similar fate as those unfortunate Colosseum lions. 2. The Tiber River dolphin, also known as the Pontoporia blandvillei, is a unique and fascinating species that once thrived in the Tiber River in Rome. These dolphins were not only admired for their playful nature but also revered for their supposed mystical powers. The Tiber River dolphin was known to interact with humans in a friendly manner, often approaching boats and swimmers. They were considered a symbol of good luck and protection by the local community. It was believed that encountering these dolphins brought blessings and positive energy. Unfortunately, with the rise of urbanization and pollution, the habitat of the Tiber River dolphin became increasingly contaminated and destroyed. As industries flourished along the riverbanks, waste was dumped directly into the water, leading to a decline in water quality. The pollution had severe consequences on the dolphin population. Their food sources dwindled as fish populations declined due to contamination. The increased boat traffic further disrupted their natural habitat, making it difficult for them to navigate and communicate effectively. Efforts have been made to protect and restore the habitat of these majestic creatures. Conservation organizations have been working tirelessly to raise awareness about their plight and implement measures to reduce pollution in the Tiber River. Initiatives such as regular cleanup drives are being carried out to remove debris from the riverbed. These efforts are crucial not only for preserving this unique species but also for maintaining a healthy ecosystem within Rome's iconic river system. By protecting the Tiber River dolphin's habitat, we can ensure their survival for future generations to appreciate their beauty and wonder. In conclusion, while once thriving alongside humans in Rome's Tiber River, the Tiber River dolphin now faces significant challenges due to urbanization and pollution. Efforts towards conservation are necessary to protect this enchanting species from further decline and preserve its place within Rome's rich cultural heritage. 3. The Circus Maximus zebra was a fascinating and captivating sight during the chariot races at the famous Circus Maximus. These zebras, with their vibrant stripes, were brought from distant lands to add an extra element of excitement to the already thrilling events. Spectators marveled at their unique appearance and were enchanted by their presence. Unfortunately, the popularity of these zebras led to a relentless demand for their exotic pelts. As a result, their existence was tragically cut short. The vibrant zebras became victims of exploitation and greed, ultimately leading to their demise. This serves as a reminder of the consequences that can arise from unsustainable practices and unchecked demand for rare or exotic resources. The story of the Circus Maximus zebras highlights the importance of responsible conservation efforts and ethical considerations in order to protect our world's diverse and extraordinary wildlife. 4. The Roman spotted leopard, an elusive predator that once prowled the outskirts of Rome. The Roman spotted leopard was famed for its distinctive markings and stealthy nature. The Roman spotted leopard, scientifically known as Panthera pardus pardus, was a subspecies of leopard that inhabited the outskirts of Rome during ancient times. These leopards were renowned for their striking spotted coat, which served as excellent camouflage in the dense forests and grasslands they once called home. With a combination of rosettes and spots, their fur pattern was unique among leopard subspecies. The Roman spotted leopards were highly adaptable predators, capable of hunting a wide range of prey including deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals. Their stealthy nature allowed them to silently stalk their victims before launching a swift and agile attack. However, as the Roman Empire expanded its territories and urbanized previously wild areas, these magnificent creatures faced numerous challenges. The encroachment upon their habitats led to a decline in available prey and a loss of territory for these leopards. With diminishing food sources and shrinking habitats, the Roman spotted leopards were forced to venture closer to human settlements in search of sustenance. This proximity to humans led to conflicts between the leopards and local communities as they began preying on livestock or even posed threats to human safety. As a result of these conflicts and increasing pressure on their population, the Roman spotted leopard eventually faced extinction. Their dwindling numbers made them vulnerable targets for hunters seeking exotic furs or trophy kills. Today, we can only learn about this fascinating species through historical records and archaeological evidence. The story of the Roman spotted leopard serves as a reminder of how human activities can impact wildlife populations and lead to irreversible consequences. Efforts are being made today to conserve other subspecies of leopards across the world by implementing strict conservation measures such as protected areas and wildlife management strategies. These initiatives aim to prevent similar scenarios where human expansion threatens the survival of majestic predators like the Roman spotted leopard. 5. The Roman golden moose holds a captivating place in history as an emblem of wealth and prosperity. This majestic creature, with its shimmering golden coat, once roamed the lush forests surrounding Rome. Revered for its divine beauty and graceful demeanor, it captivated the hearts of many. However, the Roman golden moose faced a tragic fate. Excessive hunting driven by the high demand for their exquisite pelts as symbols of status led to their disappearance from the landscape. Despite being protected by laws and regulations, these magnificent animals vanished from their natural habitat. The story of the Roman golden moose serves as a reminder of the consequences that can arise from unsustainable practices and unchecked human desires. It highlights the importance of conservation efforts and responsible stewardship to protect our natural heritage for future generations. Although these 5 remarkable species have vanished from our world, they serve as a reminder of the impact human actions can have on nature's delicate balance. Their stories unravel a complex narrative of power, beauty, exploitation, and loss that resonates even in our modern era. May we learn from history's mistakes and strive to protect and cherish the awe-inspiring creatures that still inhabit our planet today.